As we close today's program, I hope you found the discussions as inspiring as I did. We hope this forum further strengthens the global collections among us. This is how we help shaping the future of healthcare, by bringing together people and organizations who share the same passion and commitment to helping patients worldwide. I would like to take the opportunity to thank our distinguished speakers for your wonderful insights, to our supportive partners, UK Bioindustry Association, BioCentury, Biocom, Clarivate, California Life Sciences Association, Endpoints News, Fierce Biotech, GEN, MBC Biolabs, QB3, and Swiss Biotech Association. And to our global audience, thank you for joining us. At the WuXi AppTech, we firmly believe in a future where every drug can be made and every disease can be treated. That future is only possible if we all work closely together. Thank you all, and see you next year.